When XRP was created, this actually was created before Ripple existed. The creators of XRP decided there'd be 100 billion units.
And it's 90% of the XRPs at 35 cents. And so it's not near enough to basically offset, to be an asset that offsets those liabilities, right? They need a transaction where they can write up the value of their XRP.
Yeah.
Why not buy the 10% that's out in retail? We think it's substantially less than that that's out in retail. We think it's between 0.5 point and 2 points of the whole thing that's actually held by retail. So
cryptography is really important because it allows the creation of unique assets in the digital world. And that's a really, really, really important thing. So what Satoshi Nakamoto gave us, whoever he, she, they are, yes, Bitcoin's wonderful and amazing and very important, but it's more than that. It's the ability to create a unique asset in the digital ecosystem.
What if there's some bug that allows people to create XRP? And if you ask me, like, how do I know that there isn't a bug like that? The only answer that I could give you prior to invariant checking would be look over the code, and you won't find any way to create Bitcoins. You won't find any way to create XRP. If you do, tell me.
Enjoy the ride, pal.
If you got some bags, welcome to the party. Welcome back to some more Moon o'clock news. No breakfast, no coffee, just straight extra. Bullishness. Shout out to the latest sub. Appreciate you stopping by. Stuffing some bags. Go ahead. Throw on those pilot shades, those moon suits. Buckle up. This is futures. Extra. Bullish. Let's go full speed, full throttle into the cryptoverse. We got the total global cryptocurrency market cap this morning at 1.07 trillion, down 5% in the past 24 hours. We got XRP currently sliding in the red, 39.5 cents, down almost 5% in the past 24 hours. We got Stellar XLM in the number 30 spot, right under 9 cents, down also 5%. BTC 22,700, ETH right around 16 hundo. We got Flare Networks right around 4.5 cents, up 0.9%. And we got Songbird here, still right around a penny, down 3% in the past 24. Today is the remedy hearings in the SEC versus Library case. The SEC wants the judge to issue a broad, vague injunction against the sale of the Library token in which the token itself becomes a security. Attorney DN will be attending live and report back at 6 p.m. Eastern on crypto law. Eleanor Terrace says that the judge rules that secondary market transactions of the Library coin by people unaffiliated with have no investment intent in Library.com are legal. It could set a precedent that would be favorable towards XRP bag holders. Bags packed. Justin Montenegro's central bank partners with Ripple to create a CBDC XRP. All roads lead to the bridge. Interoperability will be key. BTC who? ETH who? SEC who? The Central Bank of Montenegro does not participate in the European system of central banks or in the ECB meetings. However, it tracks ECB policy. One of the main proclaimed goals of the Central Bank of Montenegro is the accession of the country to the Eurozone. Watch guru Justin Twitter begins applying for regulatory licenses to enter payment businesses in the U.S. Digital asset investor XRP buyback trigger warning discussion. Into context, Ripple has already done a stock buyback, which increased their valuation from 10 billion to 15 billion. Post SEC lawsuit, why would a similar thing not be done with XRP? What if they need a higher XRP price? How would you do it?
When XRP was created, this actually was created before Ripple existed. The creators of XRP decided there'd be 100 billion units because they saw it as rather than having a smaller number with a very high price, they saw it as something they wanted to be effectively a global reserve currency.
The other thing behind this, right, is the establishment of fair market value. So this may be the plan. The plan may be to use XRP as the world reserve currency, right? The problem they have is that they're all on that side of the table. So they can't really they know it's the plan. They can't establish that to be fair market value for us. They actually have to engage in a open transaction of some type to set where we know that that's their plan. Right. And that we would be willing to sell our property for that value. Right. That's how they would actually establish the fair market value, which will then imply or infer the value of all their holdings. So let's just say that there was one global bank. There's one bank, just for the sake of, kind of figuring this out. There's one bank and it already holds 90% of the XRP. Only thing is, it's got all these liabilities and it's 90% of the XRPs at 35 cents. And so it's not near enough to basically offset, to be an asset that offsets those liabilities, right? They need a transaction where they can write up the value of their XRP.
Yeah.
Why not buy the 10% that's out in retail? We think it's substantially less than that that's out in retail. We think it's between 0.5 point and 2 points of the whole thing that's actually held by retail. So $500 million to $2 billion of the whole thing. So anyway, they got to buy the 10% in our example here. And why not set the price at the high price that you're now 90% does cover all of your, all of your liabilities. That's how it works. And this is just like basic, simple. This happens every day in capital markets and, when Elon bought Twitter, right? Twitter was probably trading at $43 or something a share. And he said, I'm going to pay 50, was it 54.20? There was a 420.
Yeah.
So I'm going to pay 54.20. And that represented a premium. But the value of the company then was worth what he paid for it because that was a fair market value deal striking thing.
XRP lawyer John Deaton believes that the final and the most aggressive push to shut down crypto might soon be witnessed in the wake of the White House's statement on mitigating risk associated with cryptocurrencies. Breaking Dogecoin surges as Twitter plans to add support for crypto payments. Bitstamp, one of the largest and safest crypto exchanges, Bitstamp now also supports the euro-backed IOUs on the XRP ledger. From January 26 to March 27, 2023, we are offering zero transfer fees on all IOU transfers. Take the advantage of this promotion and move your funds easily, cost-effectively, using the XRP ledger. Faster, cheaper, more efficient. Riz XRP, Mark Yusko, importance, crypto.
Cryptography is really important because it allows the creation of unique assets in the digital world. And that's a really, really, really important thing. So what Satoshi Nakamoto gave us, whoever he, she, they are, yes, Bitcoin's wonderful and amazing and very important, but it's more than that. It's the ability to create a unique asset in the digital ecosystem. And what does that mean? Well, again, record albums. Grew up playing record albums, physical, analog devices, black vinyl disc, you put it on a turntable, spun around, made music. Well, then they're like, well, but I could record that electronically and call it an MP3 file. And then I could copy paste, send you a copy, and you could listen to a song. I could listen to a song, and we were both happy. But the music industry was very unhappy because they wanted you to buy your own song and me to buy my own song. So what did they do? They shut down Napster and they shut down any way of copying music. And now what do? We all stream digitally, uniquely identified through cryptography, and we all have to pay, which is the way it should be. And more importantly, because we know when a streaming service plays a song, the artist actually gets paid instead of, it going off into the ether. So the ability to have digital assets and beyond music, stocks, bonds, currencies, commodities, art, real estate, private businesses, once everything is on a blockchain, and the blockchain is just simply an open public ledger. But once it's cryptographically secure in a line item, which is what a token is. Token is not a thing. It's not a little piece of gold. Token is a line item in a ledger that is cryptographically secure and says who owns what. So I own a Bitcoin, you own a Bitcoin, I own a piece of property, you own a piece of property. All of that is nicely laid out in this public ledger, and we have truth. And what's cool about truth is it replaces the need for trust. In the old days, the last 800
XRP, hidden in plain sight, the keys to the new financial system. R3 chief economist Alyssa shares her top 5 lessons to be learned from 2022's blockchain failures. Alyssa also explores how DLT is already bringing significant efficiency benefits to financial markets. DLT, proof of work who, proof of stake who, all roads lead to the bridge. Coil says congratulations to our newest portfolio company, Tiger Beetle. We're excited to announce our Series seed of $6.4 million from Amplify Partners and Coil, Tiger Beetle, Coil. Nerd Nation Unboxed, not true. Just look at the code, and if you find a bug, tell Joe Katz. He'll fix it.
I can't overstress how important this is. Let me explain to you what invariant checking does. So think about something that you really don't want to happen in a blockchain. Like you don't want there to ever be too many Bitcoins. Like some bug that created more Bitcoins would be terrible. We had one of those in 2013, and it was pretty terrible. And you could have the same imagined problem with the XRP ledger. What if there's some bug that allows people to create XRP? And if you ask me, like, how do I know that there isn't a bug like that? The only answer that I could give you prior to invariant checking would be look over the code, and you won't find any way to create Bitcoins. You won't find any way to create XRP. If you do, tell me, I'll fix it. That'd be really, really bad.
BPM Wallet, if you haven't heard, the new BPM Reward Hub is now live. Initially, the Rewards Hub will allow BPM holders to stake their BPM tokens, and holders can optimize their returns by holding a BPM Revelers, with the higher tier Revelers unlocking higher returns. BPMRewards.io. Precision Trader XRP hit our first buy target at 38.5 cents. It's the first fib, which is the 101 of Wave A. This completes a full ABC. BTC looks like it's still on Wave A. When BTC comes down again for Wave C, XRP could double bottom, reach other targets at the 35 cent level. Still waiting to confirm Wave A on BTC. Dark Defender says XRP in a smaller time frame, 4 hour, continues the correction. Wave C is expected to begin towards support around 37.36, unless the 42 cents can be broken in 16 hours. After the minor correction, resistance will be $54.78.13. With that being said, Bagman and Bag Ladies, $9,589 to one crypto. This was just added to the debt clock. I wonder which crypto was worth $9,589 in 2013. You guessed it, XRP was released in 2013. The price of XRP was set in 2013. Please share. This is huge. XRP, hidden in plain sight, the one and only cryptocurrency they don't want you with, but we got the A-team. We got the superior tech. We got Joe Katz. We got the evidence. Get those jumpsuits. Get those gel cells ready. Where will those bags be when that true price of XRP's liquidities finally unlocked? We'll catch you up here at the tippy top. I am the XRP Bagman, the Moon Commander, currently up here on the mothership, stuffing some bags and enjoying the show. Appreciate you stopping by, tuning in, smashing those likes for some more Moon O'Clock news. Hope y'all continue to stay extra, extra bullish out there. Continue holding those good vibes. Remember to sell the FUD, buy up that bag, and don't forget to spread that liquid love. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to drop a subscribe, drop a comment down below. All the OG diamond hands out there, drop a comment down below, drop an elbow on that like button. Catch you up here, top floor on the mothership for the moon party, BYOB. Bring your own bags. Peace out, crypto ghost.
Rock it off, you gon' see. When we rock